Ever wondered what fuels a man's obsession with vintage motorcycles? Meet Younes. From a young age, Younes was captivated by the allure of vintage motorcycles, the mobilette model of the 60s being his first love. His fascination wasn't just about their mechanical marvels, but the stories they carried, the decades they'd seen. Each motorcycle, in his eyes, was a living, breathing entity with its own unique character and charm. He was drawn not just to their physical form, but the soul within. But Younes's love for vintage motorcycles is not just about the machines themselves, it's much deeper than that. Younes's passion for vintage motorcycles isn't a hobby, it's a dedication. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into how this dedication manifests itself. You see, Younes doesn't simply collect these vintage motorcycles, no, he brings them back to life. He pours countless hours into each restoration project, meticulously attending to every detail, from the gleaming chrome of the handlebars to the roar of the rebuilt engines. Every nut, every bolt